class 7. Okay, today we are going to learn the multiplication of integers, right? This is our today's topic. For this topic, we are going to play a game like the snakes and ladders, and this is our table which contains the positive numbers as well as the negative numbers, right?
Yes.
We have two teams for the game. This is the boys team and this is the girls team, right? And we have two separate colors both for both the teams, blue for boys, green for girls. We are going to place both the colors on the number 0. They are going to start from 0. We are having two red dice, they both are for the negative. Two white dice, they both are for positive. We are having 4 dice. Now we are going to place all the 4 dice in this bag, right? Now first is the turn for the boys. They will pick up 2 dice and they will throw, right? And it comes 5 and 2. 5 2s are
10.
positive, negative.
Negative.
So means they move to the negative 10. We are going to multiply. Now it's the turn for the girls. Khushi is doing. Now both are positive. 5 5s are 25. They are going to move on the 25. Fine. Okay. Now it's the turn for boys. Vansh. Hurry up. Okay, both are positive. 5 4s are 20. They will move 20 steps back. So they reach to 10. Right? Now the turn for girls. Hurry up, hurry up. Both are negative. 5 5s are
25.
minus minus.
Plus.
So they will move towards which side? Positive 25. So they reach at 50. Clear? Next, it's the turn for boys. Let's see what Shaurya will do. Who will win? Again, Shaurya, do it again. Without checking, hurry up. 2 1s are
2.
positive, negative.
Negative.
So they will move towards down,
Yes, ma'am.
2 back. Now it's the turn for the girls. Gurshish, hurry up. 5 6 are 30. Minus 30. So they will come back from 50 minus 30. They reach to 20. Now it's the turn for boys. Let's see who will win. Parv. It's the turn for Parv. Hurry up, Parv. Hurry up, don't take time. 5 1s are
5.
minus minus plus. So they will move plus 5. So they reach to 3 plus 5, 8. Now it's the turn for girls. Now it's the turn for the girls and Kanika, hurry up. 2 1s are 2. Positive, negative.
Negative.
They will come 2 steps back on 18. Right? Clear? Now we will have the next teams. Okay, now we are in the mid of the game and we have another 2 teams. Okay, this is our boys team and this is our girls team. Okay, we are going to start from boys and Mannat is having that bag. Okay, Mannat will take out both the dice. And what did you get? 1 1s are 1. Positive, negative.
Negative.
So he will move 1 step back. From 2 they will come to 1. Now it's the turn for girls. Hurry up. Both are negative. 5 5s are 25. Minus minus plus. They will move 25 steps up. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. They reach at 43. Now it's the turn for boys. Okay, Pushkar will do. Let's see what Pushkar will do. Hurry up, Pushkar. Let's see. Okay, 3 ones are
3.
positive, negative.
Negative.
So they will move 3 steps again down. 1, 2, 3. They reach on minus 2. Now it's the turn for girls. Saksham. Hurry up. 3 twos are positive, negative.
Negative.
They will come 6 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now it's the turn for boys again. Hurry up. 5 and 2. 5 twos are 10. Plus minus. So boys were on 2. They will come back 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They reach at minus 12. Now it's the turn for girls. Manju will do. Bhavna. She is going to take both the dice. 5 twos are positive, negative. So they will come again 10 steps back. From 37 they reach to 27. Okay. Now it's the turn for boys. Yuvraj. Put 4 dice in the bag. Hurry up, Yuvraj. Two twos are positive, negative.
Negative.
He will reach again 4 steps back. They reach on minus 8. Now again the turn for the girls. Five threes are positive, negative.
Negative.
Girls will move 15 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here are the boys and the girls. Now let's play with our next team. We have our next team. In our team we have 3 boys, right, and 3 girls, right? So we will start from Taranpreet. He will take the 2 dice and he will throw. Let's see what happens. Hurry up, Taranpreet. Both are negative. 4 twos are negative, negative.
Positive.
So boys will move 8 steps up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They reach on minus 1. Now it's the turn for Vriddhi. 4 twos are 8. Positive, negative.
Negative.
They will move 8 and they reach on minus 8. Now it's the turn for Manjot. Hurry up, Manjot. 4 ones are 4. Minus, minus, plus. So they will reach on 4 from 0 to 4. Now it's turn for Drishti. 3 twos are 6. Minus, minus. So they will move back 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 2. Now it's the turn for boys. Hurry up. 6 twos are positive, negative.
Negative.
So they will move down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now it's the turn for the girls. 5 fours are positive, negative. They will move 20 steps back from 2 to 12, 10. From 12 to 22, 20. So they reach on minus 22. Okay. Still the game is balanced, right? The boys are at the same and the girls are having a little bit difference. So which team will win? And girls will say girls. So through this activity, what you learned?
How to multiply negative and positive integers.
Negative and positive and positive for positive and positive negative
Negative.
and negative negative
Positive.
and positive positive
Positive.